Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be reviewing a product which is new in the market, which is from SWATI Cosmetics. It's a SWATI Cosmetic Lash Adhesive Liquid Liner, which is named as VANTA Liner. How the packaging looks like. I like the packaging, and when you open it there is a pen inside. I like the pen as well. It works as a liner and as a lash glue. So it's a lash adhesive plus a liquid liner. So today in this video we'll be testing out this liner, this VANTA Lash Adhesive Liquid Liner from SWATI Cosmetics. So let's see how it works. Do like this and then use it so that the ink flows. Now you have to use it on your lash line and then stick your lashes. So for my lash, I'm using this. So I'm using it as a lash glue today. So let's see if it works. So I've applied this liner on my lash line. As you can see, I've applied it close to the lash line. Now I'm gonna stick the lashes. So the lashes I'm using today is from VANTA Cosmetics and the number is M75. So this is the lash with no glue. I'm gonna stick it on the liner. It does take a time little bit to stick to the liner. In my opinion, it does take time to stick the lashes. Like when you stick the lashes, you just have to hold it for seconds, like at least 5 to 10 seconds you have to hold it, and then it sticks properly. Otherwise you'll just leave it immediately, it doesn't stick that immediate. But yeah, as there is a struggle with the lash glue, this is the time saving product, so of course you can go for that, but it takes time. It doesn't stick that quick as it shows in the videos, because in front of you guys I've used it quite a lot. Like I've used it, they say to use at least 2 coats, but I've used it more than that. So yeah, let's try this on the other eye and see. Again, as you can see, the lashes are coming out from the front, but we're gonna stick it again. So let's try it in the other eyes as well. I'm applying this product close to the lash line as well. So as you can see, I have applied a hell lot of coats, and now I'll stick my lashes again and see if it works properly. So it is still a little bit of a struggle. It doesn't stick that quickly, but overall it's fine. Like I will rate it 7 out of 10 because I still face, like I have to hold it for seconds and then I have to place it and it take time. Sometimes it comes off. So yeah, this product I've used for the first time since I've ordered, and I've ordered it's not been, I got my order, it's not been a month as well. So I tried this product first time in front of you guys. So this is my review for now. If it gets better, I'll make another review video for sure. But for the first time, I'll rate it 10 out of 7 because it doesn't stick that quickly, and as you've seen, I've applied a hell lot of coats and it's coming out from the front and from the back. Sometimes it does, like in both the eyes it happened with me. So yeah, this is the review for now. If you like the review, and if you have already bought this product, or if you have ordered this product, please comment it down below. I would really like to see who else have bought this product and what's your review on this. If you found this review helpful and if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to leave your valuable comments below. And thank you guys for watching.